Is your 2017 Kia Sportage key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a lost connection to the car's system requiring a relearn, or a faulty antenna. First, try replacing the CR23-2 battery. It's a cheap and easy fix, costing only $5 to $10. Pop open the fob with a small screwdriver or key, swap the battery, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be reprogrammed to your car. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try the relearn process. This involves turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence and pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Check your owner's manual or search online for the exact steps for the 2017 Sportage. If the fob only works when you're very close to the car, the antenna might be the issue. This antenna, often in the rearview mirror or windshield, can corrode or get damaged. Antenna repairs often require a professional and can cost between $200 to $500. Note, Kia issued a TSB in late 2024 for free BCM reprogramming of certain Sportage models and recalls affecting some Sportage models. Check if your vehicle is impacted.